is hope that in the true spirit of the Olympics, these games help to contribute to peace throughout the world.
What will you accomplish? Which way will the wind blow? For every door that closes, you'll find an open window, and everyone is watching.
Showdown is minutes away on this Saturday afternoon. Of course, Friday night for you people back home.
Of your life, and you won't look back.
We will be on the air with live coverage, and we'll be continuing through the day. 11 hours of coverage with Julie Cruz.
Here's Greg Joy. His prototype is up. The strongest man in the world.
You're going to have to definitely go below 10. Okay, Harry, let's play.
Oh, she did a great dive.
We sure did have a lot of fun with
This game's got a language all its own.
Big strides, full speed, winning easily, 9.68. No man has ever run that fast on the planet. Sensational.
Now's the time to celebrate. I'm number one. I'm the Olympic champion.
And if I turn left or if I go right, no matter what, I'll be alright. Standing in the shadows or the spotlight, here I find myself.
Said all he wanted to win was one goal.
It looked like it was